If you ult and you're not bubble,
There's somebody behind us. I'm pretty sure it's magic. Cap's behind. Same with magic.
You can go back there.
I think got it.
I can kill magic instantly. I just can't kill cap.
Cap in on your support.
Hit him with a blind. I'll ult in a second.
Dave, no, you're gonna die.
I think I'm okay.
Oh.
Blinding. Blinded mag. Blinded mag. He's
Magic in the back.
mag. Oh my goodness.
I cancel it. They have no copy.
Nice.
Pun. Blinding. Captain's behind.
There's a clone up there for you, Bucky.
He fully transformed, so
He's
they have
behind.
no copy at all. Like they're not even 52.
They have one Luna ult.
The support request is for Overwatch.
Magic
I'm gonna
is
have to
over
give you
here.
your points back. I don't do the support requests for this game.
She's gone.
Oh. Holy,
I wish you'd stop going so far up. Be careful how far up you're going.
That cub like full back one day.
I know, it's fade you guys back so you can try and get
Kinda
out.
don't. Oh.
Just rotate left right now. I'm gonna blind mag. Careful, Strange.
Can we think ult?
Break the Punisher turret first before you do anything.
I can't see you, Bucky. Nice. Magic on the left.
Can't see over there, Bucky. You good? I have no LOS on you. I can't even throw the daggers
what
on
the fuck?
Blinded the tanks.
Magic's on height right here.
Mag is half.
Stand by.
I trusted you, thank you. Hit a blind on Mag. Mag's half. Mag's weak. Mag's really weak.
Cap behind. Yo, I literally couldn't get their Luna. I'm so annoyed.
It's just the cap.
I tried to copy Luna. I should have just copied our clothes.
Hi, Dwan.